Feels like home. I would like to share to you, in April 1st, 82, I was born here in Makati Medical Center. And after 24 years, I was working in Ayala as an architect, and I went blind because of tuberculosis in the brain. I was wrongly diagnosed in the hospital where I live in the south. And when they done all of the diagnosing me in my brain, meningoencephalitis, all of these neuro problems, I was rushed back to Makati Medical Center. And there, after 3 days on a coma, I woke up. Everything is miraculous in Makati Medical Center. They confirmed with the result of my lumbar tap, the cervical spine fluid, it is indeed tuberculosis in the brain. One thing I confirmed is that they did not do something. They did not x-ray my lungs. So it turns out that they automatically just focused on my brain and forgot that there is a possibility of a communicable disease. So maybe if that would have been rectified that year, maybe I was just cross-eyed and not blind. And I've been very fierce in looking for justice on what happened to me. And I was very fortunate that because of the Tropical Disease Foundation in front of Makati Med, so that I'm very strong. I want to look for answers. They've asked me to do patient organization. That time it was 2009, and Dr. Matupasi, our beloved Matupasi at Makati Med, said that I should promote leadership for the patients and then provide that kind of person-centered care in the country. Now, I am your still community representative of Philippines. I am your president of TB People Philippines. We're looking for ways on how to help the TB program. Thank you so much, Fuji, for adhering to my proposal. This would be our second engagement. First was the donation of our chest X-ray also in Olongapo. So thank you so much for making that happen. And now, Mayor Binay has been very supportive of this movement that hopefully by 2028, no more mortality rates. And 2030, we control it. Very ambitious, but maybe that's just a matter of changing the attitude of the Filipinos. And now you have the screening tool. Mayor Binay will be here for you. I'm hopeful that with the use of our interventions, TB People Philippines will be here with you to join you in your active case finding and helping them not just for the screening but also for the monitoring if they adhere to the treatment, and hope that our grandkids won't have to experience what we experienced. All of my team are here. All of them are survivors of tuberculosis. Woo! Different parts of the body, TB in the intestine, in the bones, all of them are your survivors, coming from different parts of the country, actually, Davao and South Cotabato. And we're really happy, Mayor Binay, for initiating this kind of initiative, because hopefully all of the cities, 190 cities, I think 1,200 municipalities all over the country follows your lead. So thank you so much, Mayor, and good morning.
Wow.